The global health crisis caused by the rise of type 2 diabetes is indeed alarming. The numbers behind it are more than just statistics. They are a wake-up call for the world. Let's delve deeper into these numbers to understand the full extent of this crisis. The fact that diabetes affects 9.3% of the world's population is worrying enough. But when you consider that the number of people with diabetes rose from 108 million in 1980 to 422 million in 2014, the scale of the problem becomes even clearer. That's almost a quadrupling in just 34 years. The forecast for the future is even more worrying. In 2021, 537 million adults lived with diabetes. That's 1 in 10 people. This number is expected to rise to 643 million by 2030 and 783 million by 2045. This means that almost 250 million more people could develop diabetes in the next 2 decades. The situation with children is equally worrying. A recent systematic review and meta-analysis showed a rapid increase in the prevalence of prediabetes among children worldwide. The pooled prevalence of 48 community studies was up to 8.84%. Even more alarming is the fact that in the USA, for example, 1 in 5 children has prediabetes. This suggests that we are not only dealing with a current health crisis, but also a future one. Diabetes is a leading cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks, strokes, and lower limb amputations. These complications can have a significant impact on the lives of those affected and, well, significantly reduce the quality of life. The reasons for this increase are diverse, including unhealthy diets, lack of exercise, genetic factors, and increasing obesity. However, the Western lifestyle with high consumption of sugary and processed foods particularly promotes the development of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates blood sugar levels. Over time, the pancreas produces more insulin to keep up, but eventually it can no longer keep up with the body's demand for insulin, leading to high blood sugar levels and type 2 diabetes. Hope comes in the form of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, and its precursors. Researchers believe these compounds may play a key role in preventing and treating type 2 diabetes. Glutathione is a tripeptide composed of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. It is present in every cell of the body and is essential for maintaining cellular health and function. Glutathione plays an essential role in various biological processes, including DNA synthesis, protein synthesis, enzyme activation, and immune system function. Recently, a groundbreaking review paper from the Department of Pediatrics at Quillen College of Medicine in Johnson City was published in January 2024 by Don Tuel and colleagues. A review article is a scientific work that collects, evaluates, and summarizes previously published research results on a specific topic. In this review, Tuel and her team examined the potential of glutathione and its precursors, N-acetylcysteine and glycine, in combating the oxidative stress that contributes to type 2 diabetes. The researchers wanted to better understand the interactions between these antioxidants and the body's metabolism and oxidative stress pathways. So how did they do that? They reviewed various clinical studies and biochemical analyses and focused on how these antioxidants interact with the body's metabolism and oxidative stress pathways. The key findings were fascinating. Glutathione, N-acetylcysteine, and glycine have been found to significantly reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in the development and progression of type 2 diabetes. These antioxidants help modulate the complex pro-oxidant factors, such as hyperglycemia, that drive the progression of type 2 diabetes. In this way, they can prevent or even reverse some of the damage caused by diabetes. The importance of these results cannot be overstated. Incorporating these antioxidants into treatment plans could complement existing therapies and improve outcomes for patients with type 2 diabetes. With any research, there are pros and cons. This review provides a solid foundation for how glutathione and its precursors could potentially be used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. However, most of the studies discussed in this review have focused on adults. Therefore, it is important to conduct further research, especially in children and adolescents, to better understand the potential of glutathione and its precursors. In summary, glutathione and its precursors may be promising candidates for the treatment of type 2 diabetes. However, further research is necessary to fully understand their potential, particularly in younger populations. The research findings are promising, but are not yet therapeutically applicable. It is still of crucial importance to maintain a healthy lifestyle in order to either alleviate the symptoms of type 2 diabetes and reduce the clinical picture, or to practice prevention through lifestyle measures, and thus avoid getting sick in the first place. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, see the links in the description for more information. Together, we can make progress toward a diabetes-free future. And as always, we wish you health, happiness, and a long life. Until next time.